Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dave. I am going to go over my watch list for this week. I am already in like, I don't know, 4 trades or so. So I just want to be prepared for the upcoming week in case something comes up. I am ready to go. So firstly, ASTS. This is one of my favorite runs. Looks, you can see that it's tagging this downtrend line here again. This 2170 level is very important. Look at Friday's volume. We get a nice little volume pump. Short float, 26.58%. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. I'm going to organize all my looks by short float, and we can go through them that way. I like short floats. Okay, so firstly, UPST. I was in this. I just did a review on how I traded it. It's looking good again. Kind of getting to this pennant shape, not giving back any of the gains from the earnings. So UPST, it is another top look of mine for this week if I close out any trades. APLD, I'm not a super fan of this one. It kind of stopped around the highs and then closed back in there. It is curling up. It has a 24% short float, so it does have some rising volume in here. So this could, it's still bullish, but there's just a lot of topping tails in here. There's a lot of sellers in here. And, if we look left, it's getting close to these highs. Sloppy, sorry. It's getting close to those highs there. And so we just need to be mindful that it is coming up to a supply area. BE, I like this downtrend line. A lot of bottoming tails at the 10 EMA. Looks pretty solid. HIMS, nice consolidation area. I'd be curious if it broke this level there for further continuation on the upside. OKLO, this guy's been pretty choppy. I would trade this small because this can move in either direction, but you can see it's kind of creating these higher highs, this pennant shape type look here. Letting the 50 SMA. So just chip chopping. Not one of my favorites, but it's a solid look. RVLV, 22% short float. In an uptrend, not giving back much of this actually at all. The gap gains, creating higher highs and higher lows. Looks like it wants to go test this 38.99. And so this RVLV is looking pretty solid as well. SRRK, I'm looking for a break of this topping tail here. Looks like it kind of already did that. So maybe I'm looking for a break of yesterday or Friday's high. You can see this thing likes to gap and chop sideways. Maybe it just starts chopping sideways again. I don't know. But it's a 22% short float. So that's a pretty solid look in my book too. GTLS, this is another look that I really like. It's been selling off for what, 5-6 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the last 6 days, bottoming tail to 10. You can see that these bottoming wicks, it keeps finding support at this 188.46 near the 10 EMA, and it also responded right here near the 10 EMA, 22% short float. So if this wants to continue curling on up and make another round, I would not be shocked. CNK, I also like the bottoming tails near the 10 EMA or the 21% short float. DLO, everything's coming down like the 200 SMA, that's what I mean. But we might start getting a golden cross here over the next few days. So just kind of looking to see kind of a reversal, maybe a gap fill. The gap is all the way up there. I'll just go to the bottoming tail. About there, $13 or so. So this might work on through the gap fill. I'm going to write that down for my community notes here. There we go. Next, IonQ. This has been strong. Just looking for continuation there. Fiber looking for a breakout with a 21% short float. Looking for a breakout there as this consolidates. Pretty decent look. I'm going to create a price alert there. Wolf, pretty choppy overall. Not my favorite look. ROIV, pretty deep pullback to the 20 EMA. Not my favorite. RDDT, this is a pretty solid look for potential continuation. LYV, nice bullish candle there. We just need some volume, and I can see this thing start getting going again as well. and NE inside candles. A firm looking for it to break this consolidation. This could be potentially a nice entry if it breaks that high there. A reset for me, thank you. Solid look overall. And how are we getting short float percentage wise? I'll cut it at 5 because it's a lot of look. ALK, I like the breakout, and now it's retesting. We'll watch it to see if it pushes away. Fresh consolidation, kind of like a little pennant here. If we go these highs, angling down there, and then this is just consolidating and getting tighter, right? It looks like it might be ready to go. Little volume push, and a 7% short float. I like it. I like it a lot. Cart, if I remember, that was a little sloppy. Not my favorite look there. SFM, just getting tight at the highs. It's kind of rounding. I don't know. Not my favorite look. NXL, watch for the break and the hold there. Coin, I like coin. However, Bitcoin, I think, had some selling here in the last half hour or so. Just be mindful of that. MCS, CCJ, I don't know if that'll hold. EXP, look for the hold and the breakout of this topping tail here. It looks like it might. I'll call it at that. There's a lot of other names on there, but I think those are some pretty solid ones. If you want to take a look, here's my zoom up. This does indeed have all of them. MSTS is the last one there. Square's another solid look that I really liked. I think it was Square. Square and Spot. Those are nice looks in my opinion as well. All right, I will end with those. Stay safe this week. Put your stop losses in, Dave, me. Manage your risk. Enjoy the market. Come join our team. Check out TradeIdeas. It's all good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Bye.